If you're experiencing controller drift in Apex Legends, it can hinder your gameplay. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Go to your console or PC settings and find the controller calibration option. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt around the analog sticks. You can also use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the controller. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates in the settings menu. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Go into Apex Legends settings and adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring one movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the problem persists, try using a different controller to see if the issue is with your original controller. If the new controller works fine, you may need to repair or replace the original one. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Apex Legends. If issues continue, consider seeking professional repair services or contacting the manufacturer for support.